In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Salesforce CLI, commonly known as SFDX, on a Windows computer. This is a fantastic tool that allows you to stand up, test, and develop Salesforce applications in a streamlined way right from your command prompt or terminal. So, if you're ready to enhance your Salesforce development capabilities, let's get started. First, we'll need to start by opening your internet browser and heading over to Google. You might be wondering, why Google? Well, Google makes it incredibly easy to find the Salesforce CLI download page quickly. It's essentially a shortcut to take us right where we need to be without having to dig around. Once you're there, in the search bar, type in Salesforce CLI and hit enter. You'll see a variety of links appear in the search results, but what we want is the official Salesforce CLI link. Usually, this link will have Salesforce somewhere in the URL, indicating it's the credible source directly from Salesforce developers. Click on that link to be taken to the Salesforce CLI download page. Now that you're on the download page, you'll notice several download options, typically categorized by processor architecture such as Windows x64, Windows x86, and potentially ARM64, which can vary depending on your CPU. So what's the difference, you ask? Well, it's all about compatibility with your system's hardware. The x64 version is designed for 64-bit systems, which is the standard for most modern computers. If your computer runs on a 64-bit version of Windows, this is the download option you'll want to select. In contrast, the x86 option is for older 32-bit systems. And ARM64 is another architecture often seen in newer types of processors. For this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the x64 download as it's the most common. Go ahead and click on Download for Windows x64. After you click, a pop-up will appear prompting you to save the file. Confirm the download by clicking Save. Now just patiently wait for the download process to complete. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a couple of minutes. Once it's finished downloading, you'll find the installer file in your designated Downloads folder. At this point, we're not going to jump into the installation right away, as that is an entirely different part of the setup process. Instead, in our next video, I'll show you how to configure and set up the Salesforce CLI after you've got the installer in hand. I hope this guide has made downloading the Salesforce CLI less of a mystery. The process may seem intricate at first, but once you're familiar with the steps, it'll become second nature, Vince. Azonch. Thanks for sticking with me, and don't forget to check out our other videos for further insights and tutorials.